We will study NCERT Mathematics of class 12th. Firstly, start with chapter matrix. Definition of matrix is set of mn numbers arranged in m row and n column is called matrix of m by n. Set of mn numbers arranged in rectangular or in n row and n column is called matrix. It is denoted by English alphabet capital letter. For example, matrix A equal to A11, A12, A13 dash 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 A1n. Second row A21, A22, A23 dash dash A2n. Third row A31, A32, A33 dash dash A3n dash 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 AN1. AM1, AM2, AM3 dash dash AMN. This is matrix of order m by n. Here number of row is m and number of column is n. These are called row. First row, second row, third row, dash dash mth row. These are column. First column, second column, third column, dash 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 n column. So it is the matrix of order m by n, and element A11, A12, A13, A1n, these are denoted by generally A, I, J. It means element of ith row and jth column. Matrix denotation is different type, but in this book we use denotation of matrix by this. Other denotation are matrix A equal to two, three, four, 5, or A equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, or A equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. But popular denotation of matrix is this: A equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. It has number of row is 2 and number of column is 2. So matrix is order of 2 by 2. Others example are matrix B equal to order of 2 by 3. Sin x, cos x, tan x, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. It is the matrix of 2 by 3. Number of row are 2 and number of columns are 3. So matrix will be 2 by 3. Its A11 means element of first row and first column. It is sin x. So a value of A11 is sin x. Second other element A21 means element of second row and first column. So it will be sin theta. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. So it is sin theta. Others element A23. Element of second row and third column. It is tan theta. So B can find all element in matrix. Generally, matrix denotation by in compact form, matrix B equal to Aij. It is compact form of matrix, मतलब means short form. तो हमें किसी मैट्रिक्स को Aij डिनोट करने से हमें ये मालूम पड़ जाएगा कि इसके शॉर्ट फॉर्म क्या होगी. I की वैल्यू कहाँ तक जा सकती है 2 तक और J की वैल्यू कहाँ तक जा सकती है 3 तक. तो ये मैट्रिक्स हो जाएगा 2 by 3 का मैट्रिक्स. Aij मीन्स A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Others example of matrix A equal to 1, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, -3, 7, -1. It is the matrix of order 3 by 3. It is square matrix. Where A11 is 1, A12 is 4, A13 is 3, A21 means second row and first column. A21 second row and first column. Element is 2. It will be A31 means element of third row and first column. So A31 is equal to -3. We find out matrix by general formula. Aij equal to I minus j. Construct 3 by 2 matrix. Means number of row is 3 and number of column is 2. तो A matrix A11, A12, A1, A21, A22, A31, A32. It is the matrix of order 3 by 2 means number of row is 3 and number of column is 2. Value of A11, put the value I equal to 1 and j equal to 1, in general formula aij equal to I minus j, तो 1 minus 1 equal to 0, तो मैट्रिक्स A की वैल्यू हो जाएगी, फर्स्ट वैल्यू A11 की वैल्यू 0, A12 पुट द वैल्यू इन जनरल फार्मूला I equal to 1 and j equal to 2, 1 minus 2 इक्वल टू माइनस 1, तो A12 की वैल्यू हो गई हमारी -1, A21 पुट इन जनरल फार्मूला I equal to 2 and j equal to 1, I equal to 2 and j equal to 1, so 1, hence value of A21 equal to 1. Similarly, we calculate all element of matrix use general formula aij equal to I minus j, A22 2 minus 2 equal to 0, A31 3 minus 1 equal to 2, A32 equal to 3 minus 2 equal to 1. So matrix of order 3 by 2 used general formula aij equal to I minus j, it will be this answer. Clear? And others question of general formula we noted and do practice in home and check on WhatsApp personal group. So write question construct 2 by 2 matrix A equal to Aij is given by Aij equal to I plus 2j upon 2 whole square. Question number second. Construct 2 by 3 matrix A equal to Aij is given by Aij equal to I minus j upon I plus j. It is homework. Please solve on copy and check on WhatsApp group personally.